Welcome back, guys. So the next topic is import. So import is an option which is used to import the content of another file into your content file. So whenever we click on import, it gives us some option that you want to import file from your My Drive. My Drive means the files which are into your Google Drive. Then shared with me, the files which are shared by the other user with you, and the recent file means the files you have recently uploaded or the files which you have recently changed. Then another is the last but very important option is if you want to upload something from your laptop, from your desktop, then you can select this option. You just need to click here, or you can drop file here, and automatically that file will upload it to the Google Drive, and then you just need to click on the select button, and that file will be merged with the current file. For example, here I want to select the content of this file, import content.txt. Then I select option on this button, and here I got some option that how you want to merge that content, or how you want to import that content. Either I can import that into a new spreadsheet, or I can uh, append. So best idea is here to I want to append it in current sheet. So I have selected this option and I click on import data, and then you guys can see here automatically that content of that file is now merged with my current sheet. So, hope you guys understand this topic. If not, please comment into the comment box. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel and share with your friend also. Thanks for watching.